dear kids. How are you parents? I hope all of you are happy and safe and healthy at home and enjoying your days. I know it is not, but then it is like that. So we have to do whatever things. I mean, जो चल रहा है उसके accordingly हमें चलना पड़ता है. But here we have many of the activities we have arranged. Kids, as you can see, always we are putting all the videos and everything. So I have come here to put up a story to the kids so that they can also see and they can also enjoy a story with the letter B. Okay, so kids, let's listen to the story. You know what letter B sounds? It sounds B sounds. B says phonics. B says B. B. B says B. Okay, and how do we write B? See, I will show you. See, parents, you can give them dupatta to the kids, and they can enjoy making this pattern, right? B, standing line, half semicircle, and then half semicircle. This becomes B. See, wow. B. This is ulta B. Okay. When you will write B, it becomes like B. अभी आपको उल्टा B दिख रहा है, तो आप ऐसे भी नहीं बनाना है, ये उल्टा भी दिखेगा. जब आप करोगे तो आपको सीधा भी दिखेगा. ठीक है? Okay. So you can always parents, you can always give them the dupattas to them so that they can make the alphabets when they are sitting all alone. They can enjoy. Actually, they will enjoy making the letters on the floor with the children because it's very easy and they do not have to cut anything or like that. This is the best way, I think, where they can have the physical movement, fine motor skill, gross motor skill. Physically they will move all around. Fine. So I will tell them a story about B, letter B. Fine. And okay, children, see now I will tell you a story. What is this? This is a buddy. B for buddy. Okay. Now I had a friend. His name was Buddy. Okay, and I will stick it. I do not have a board, so I will stick it in. I had a friend whose name was Buddy, and he was very sweet. And he had this one more friend whose name was, let's keep his name Babu. Okay, fine, Babu. B for Babu. His name was Babu. And he went to his house and he knocked the door. Knock, 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 knock. Then what happened? He said, please open the door, please open the door. The Babu said, who is he? Who are you? Why are you knocking? Then he slowly opened the door and he saw that his friend was standing out of the gate. And he said, oh, Mr. Buddy, you are here. Wow, what a pleasant surprise you have given us. Wow, please come inside. Then he came inside and he asked, how come you have come so early in the morning? So Buddy said, I thought you must be going to the school. So I thought let's join together and let's go to the school together. So he said, okay. Babu said, okay Buddy, can you wait for 5 minutes? And the Buddy said, fine, I will wait for 5 minutes. Then Buddy, he went. He said, let me bring my books and the bag from inside the room. A book, these are the books, and a bag. So B for book, B for bag. And then he took his bag at the bag and the books inside the bag, and he stood there. Then he thought, Mama, where's my bottle? Bottle, B for bottle. Where's my bottle? Mama gave him the bottle. And he kept the bottle also inside the bag. B for bag. And then what happened? They said, Mama, bye. B for bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. And he, Buddy and Babu went to the school. When he entered the classroom, he saw his friends were sitting. And can we give this friend a name of Bubbly? The girl is there, so we'll keep her name as Bubbly, and the boy is there, we'll keep his name as a what think such a B for Badal. Right, Badal. Okay, so this is Badal and this is Bubbly. B for Badal, B for Bubbly. Boy, B for boy, and she's a girl. Fine. So he saw that Bubbly and Badal were sitting on the floor and the teachers were there and they gave them a homework to make the blocks. B for blocks. See blocks. Can you see blocks? They are playing with the blocks. And he was so happy to see that their friends are playing with the blocks. And then when he went to another room, what did he see? He saw so many friends were sitting on a big table. See, a big table. Wow, lovely. And this small girl is reading a book. B for book. And his friend is sitting beside her. And his friend name is again Bunny or Buddy. Fine? Okay. And you stick it here. Fine? Okay. Then what happened? He saw the Buddy and Bablu. He said, oh, now let's do some coloring. Then he sat with his friend and he was coloring with the blue color. He drew the sky was in blue, the sky is always in blue, so the sky was blue. Then there were so many birds, he could see the blue sky, and then he saw a big tree, big, B says big tree, he saw a big tree, and then what did he see on the big tree? There were no fruits. There were small blueberries. I can see blueberries. If you see inside, there will be so small blueberries. And the blueberries, what we spell, how we spell? It's again B, blueberries. Okay, the tree was having blueberries fruit. Okay. And then what did he see? What did Bablu and Buddy see? That the birds are sitting down and they were very hungry. The bird, see, a small bird, and this is also a bird, but this is a crow. Okay? This is a bird, a small bird, and a crow. Then they were sitting and they were very hungry. They wanted to eat that blueberry, but they couldn't pick it up because it was inside. So they wanted to eat and they were struggling how to get the blueberries. Then they flew, and then they got the berries and they were happily, they got the berries and they started eating. Okay. And then what did he say? What their friend said? Now we have done lots of work. We have colored, we have done everything. We have played with the blocks. We have read the books also. Now let's go outside and play. So he said, come on, we'll go outside. Then all the friends, they were 1, 2, 3. 3 boys were there, boys. Boys. 3 boys were there and 2 girls were there. Now this is, okay, we'll keep their names again. Badal, think, Badal, what? I'm not getting the name. Badal and Bittu, Bubbly, before, Ballu, and then B for Babita. Okay, fine. See how many names he got from B? Badal, Bablu, Bubbly, Babita, and Badal. Fine. So there were so many friends, and then they went outside, and when they went outside, they wanted to play a game. What game? Ben 10. Wow! Ben 10 game. See, it's a famous game for all the boys, right? Ben 10 game. See? And what I have no idea about this Ben 10 because I have never played, because girls never play this game. All the boys play this game. So all the boys must be knowing this cartoon Ben 10, right? Okay, this again Ben 10. And then this Bablu said, okay, tell me, whose favorite game is what? Then he said, oh, I love to play with a bat and a ball. A bat and a ball. See, ball and a bat. So which game is this? Cricket. Okay, so here's a bat and a ball, and then he said, oh, this is my favorite game. Mother's favorite game is a bat and a ball. And now this Bablu's favorite game is badminton. See, badminton. Have you played badminton? See, badminton. So Mother's favorite game is badminton, right? And Bubbly's favorite game is, wow, football. Football, see, ball. But again it's a ball, but it's a game, okay? So he likes to play with a ball, but this game is said as a football, okay? Football. And then this friend's game, he likes to bicycle. His favorite game was cycling, and she loved to do that bicycling. So it's her favorite ride, you can say, a bicycle, right? A bicycle. And last but not the least, Bubbly's favorite game was bowling. Wow, have you seen bowling? See, these are all bottles, and you will get a ball, and you have to throw the bottles, and you have to throw the bottle as if the सारे bottle आपको नीचे गिर जाना चाहिए. So I think so you have played this game. In school also we have played this game, right? The teachers must have they have made you play the game. It's a name given, bowling, right? And then they were so happy to see, and then they said, okay, let's see. And see, again they saw many flowers also. When they were roaming here and there, they saw bougainvillea. Again, before bougainvillea, it's a flower, and they were so happy to see everything. And then they were very hungry. They said, oh, it's a big day today we had. Let's eat something. So what they thought of an idea, and they went home and they said, Mama, we are feeling very hungry, we want to eat something. Then Mama gave them some biscuit, for biscuit. See, yummy biscuit. So they opened the biscuit, and they were so happy and so eager that they could not even wanted to wash their hands. But then Mama said, no, keep a social distance. No, you have to wash your hands, you have to take your bath, because you have gone outside, you have played outside. Now it is a corona time, you have to keep safe distance, you have to be in a distance. So I am sure when you have gone outside, nobody must have stuck together or played very near kind of a game and all that. So go and wash your hands. And everybody went inside, they washed their hands, and they started eating biscuits, and they were full with joy because they got an Oreo biscuit, beef biscuit. So everybody enjoyed the story. Thank you. At home also now we can recollect the names of the things. See. B for buddy, B for boy, B for bag, B for books, B for bottle, B for big table, B for buddy, B for book, B for baby, B for blocks, B for bicycle, B for so many names, Bablu, Badar, Bubbly, Bunty, Winnie, B for bat and ball, B for badminton, B for ball, B for bougainvillea, B for bowling, B for bicycle, and B for biscuit. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.